Okay? So Stu, for this overlap, any rust jacking that's concerned to you right now?
Just barely starting to form.
Yeah,
Everything
a lot of
seems
that
to
is
be tight.
surface rust.
Surface rust on the nuts and the bolts.
Right. But that's still surface rust, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of times when you clean this up, it's still surface rust. And you can still load test this 50 to 75-year-old bolt. You change it, there is no load test. Okay, it's other evidence of strength. Coming over here, you see these connections. You start sealing this up, you're gonna start water getting in here, but she doesn't look that bad, right? There's no jacking happening in here. You can still feel the nuts are all square, okay? Now let's turn ourselves to this part over here. You see how these are made bad and that they naturally accumulate water? But what you're gonna be looking at, do you see any of these starting to really push out?
Got one right up here that's showing some push out right here.
Right,
This side
only that one, but
particularly.
everything else is still pretty tight, right?
Yeah.
So it seems like only the rust on the top here is accumulating, and with the grinder, you're gonna be able to get in there, clean that all out. This will all clean out nice. These rivets are still in good order, ready for load testing, but if I put a half-inch bolt between these two and keep the original and seal this all up, no load test required, okay? Let's take a look at these. These are easy. A lot of times the rust is gonna be on the inside of the tube, but these are easy to pop out. You know how we break these? Are you familiar?
Yeah, hammer and chisel should be
No,
enough to take that
impact
off.
gun. You use a star socket on this, tighten it, it'll just rip, boom, it'll just snap it. Put a new bolt, seal this up whenever possible, okay? Let's have, actually there's two parts of the string that are always of a concern. How it's tied down here, how's it looking?
Not bad.
Not
A
bad.
little bit of surface rust.
Surface rust.
Tiny bit of jacking on the right side.
Very
there.
minor, because when you start cleaning it, that's not even rust jacking yet. That is just all surface rust that's starting to look like rust jacking, but it's actually not. So let's follow me up to the very top.